how to play a songo. This is such a fun groove to play once you got it down, but it took me ages. So I'm going to show you too. If I remember rightly, the thing that made this quite difficult was actually the quarter note ride bell through the whole thing. Instead of eighth notes to kind of hold you steady, it's just quarter notes. So it relies on quite a lot of strong independence, especially in your kick drum foot. Let's take it beat by beat. 1 and a. I'd make this snare drum nice and loud. It doesn't have to be a rim shot or anything, but compared to the next few notes, I'd accent this one. 1. Next beat is all 16th notes, so 2 E and a. 2 E and a. 2 E and a. This is the bass drum I find awkward, putting it on the and like this, but you will get it eventually. Just keep on keeping on. So stick 1 and 2 together. 1 and a, 2 E and a. 1 and a, 2 E and a. 4. Beat 3, nice and simple. Right, left, kick. Right, left, kick. 3 E and a. Stick beats 1, 2, and 3 together. 1 and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a. 1 and a, 2 E and a. And lastly, beat 4 is exactly the same as beat 2. So, sticking it all together. 1. 1. Might be incorrect. Let me know in the comments if I'm completely wrong with this. And if you feel like really spicing this up and making it complicated for yourself, add in the left foot however you like. Eighth notes, quarter notes on the off beat. If you really dislike yourself on the E's or the U's. But yeah, there you go. A songo. Enjoy.